Here at the Cracker Barrel, you can enjoy home style right at home. Order online for curbside pickup and take care anywhere. Cracker Barrel. Take care now.
Calhoun Community College giving back to veterans and service members who served our country. Calhoun hosted a college and career workshop. Sessions included financial aid and veteran-specific grant assistance, plus info on training, certifications, and even mental health resources to offer. Staff members say the college recognizes the important role the military plays and that it's just as important to give back to them.
Whether it be us or other community colleges around the state, they make up a huge aspect of our student population that we want to serve.
And we're thankful to have an opportunity for them to see what we have to offer. But it doesn't end today. It doesn't end with these workshops.
Yeah, and he's right. This is one of several information sessions at community colleges across the state this month. Dependents of military service members are also welcome to information sessions.
At Cracker Barrel, crispy